Hello and welcome to Craftiosity, with monthly craft kits delivered straight to your door. Dive into a world of creativity and tranquility with our Rose Quartz Ombre Candles kit. This charming project guides you through creating a pair of stunning ombre candles, adorned with the gentle elegance of rose quartz gemstones. Perfect for adding a touch of warmth and sophistication to any space, these candles will illuminate your room with both beauty and serenity. In this month's kit, you will find a pair of glass vessels, some Easy Candle premium container wax, and 2 self-adhesive candle wicks, some rose quartz gemstones, a wooden lollipop stick, and a pack of 3 colored wax dye chips. To help you create, you will also need a saucepan or cooking pot, some water, an oven hob, and a ruler. Let's get started. Fill your saucepan or cooking pot with water. Loosen the lid on the wax container slightly, but don't remove it completely, and then place the container into the pot of water. Make sure the water level is no higher than halfway up the wax container. Keep the water until it reaches a simmer. Leave the wax container in the simmering water until the wax is melted. It takes up to 20 minutes, so be patient. Take the red and blue dye chips. Use scissors to shave off small amounts into the melted wax. Aim for equal amounts to achieve a very pale purple hue. Add the dye chips gradually to build up the color. Stir the wax until the dye is fully incorporated. If needed, add more dye chips to reach your desired color and shade. Begin by peeling the backing off each wick. Place one wick into the center of each glass, ensuring it is positioned at the base. If necessary, use the wooden lollipop stick to adjust and secure the wick. Pour the dyed wax into each glass, filling them with a layer about 1.5 centimeters deep. Pour the wax close to the wick to minimize any spillage onto the sides of the glass. If wax does spill onto the glass, you can scrape it off with the wooden lollipop stick. Return the wax container to the pan of water. Add more of the red and blue dye chips to achieve a slightly darker shade of purple. Stir thoroughly until the dye is fully incorporated into the wax. Once the first layer of wax has set slightly, pour a second layer into each glass, again filling to about 1.5 centimeters deep. Aim to pour the wax close to the wick. Repeat the layering process 2 more times, adding a bit more dye each time to deepen the shade of purple. Ensure each layer has set sufficiently before adding the next one. You should now have 4 distinct layers of wax in each glass. Add more dye chips to the wax to create a dark purple color. Pour the 5th and final layer into each glass, leaving approximately 0.5 centimeters from the top of the glass. Allow the final layer of wax to set until it forms a thin skin on the surface, but isn't completely hardened. Press 3 rose quartz crystals gently into the top of each candle. The crystals should sink slightly into the wax while still protruding above the surface. Let your candles cure for a full 24 hours to ensure they are completely set and hardened. Once cured, trim each wick to approximately 0.5 centimeters in length. Your candles are now ready to use and enjoy. We love to see what you make. Share your Craftiosity make with us. Use #Craftiosity on social, and you could win a little extra in your next kit. Good luck!